Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. We are right here in London at the Moncler show, and today I will be showing you this. Right in front of us we have a G-Wagon, but as you can already see, this is not a normal G-Wagon. This is the first ever collaboration between Mercedes-Benz and Moncler. You will find a lot of traditional Mercedes-Benz things, such as the G-Class in specific, which is one of the oldest models that Mercedes-Benz is building since 1979. And then we have Moncler with their very popular design and look of their puffy jackets. And this is what they have made. They have built the Mondo G. That's the name of this show car. It's literally a one of one, and yeah, it's built in cooperation between Mercedes-Benz designers and the Moncler designers. And today I'm here at the show, standing on a ladder, trying to make the best video for you guys. And I will be giving you a quick tour, okay? Just to show you some of this car, as well as afterwards show you the show of how they present this car to us here in London. At this point, also special thanks to Mercedes-Benz for flying us out, for letting us film this here today for you. So first things first, I have to say, it's very traditional. I mean, this entire thing is just an artwork. It's literally a one of one, and it's so cool. We have the traditional first ever G ever built. You can see that by the front, by the grille, and the iconic Mercedes-Benz star. Also by the headlights. We have iconic things such as the box design, also with the indicators and stuff. But as well as you look here on the side, which we will be concentrating later on, we have the old side mirrors, also the air intakes. You know why we have these? Because as soon as you went with a G-Class inside the water, you needed the air from the top for going inside the water. Let me just turn to the side and show you more. Let's go. Talking here about the side, we have the iconic G-Class design, the look, the boxy. It's super nice, and as a base of it, it's the G-Class Coupe. You can see we only have a single door here, and also with the old side mirrors. Then looking at the wheels, we have the puffy jacket design, which we know from the Moncler, as wheels for this G-Class art piece. Also for the top, this is really cool. We have the jacket, and when I move to the rear, you will see we also have a zipper to unzip it to make it a cabriolet. It's really cool. Also, when you look at the traditional things such as the side panels or the door handles, these are so iconic. I really like how they built it, and also the color of it. It looks so pure, and also looking like a patina look, like it has been already worn out, but still looking super fresh and nice here with the chrome wheels and stuff. So how do you guys like the side profile of this G-Class Mondo G, built in cooperation with Moncler and Mercedes-Benz? Also nice looking here with the art show. It's so impressive, really cool. How do you guys like it? Let's now move to the rear. Let me show you more. So this is what I have tried to mention before. The cool thing about this is that we have the zipper here. I mean, this is so iconic and known for Moncler jackets, also with the Moncler badge here. In addition, with the roof, which is the jacket yet again, finished in this chrome, nice shiny look. This is really cool, making this a Cabriolet G. Also here on the side, you can see we have the Mercedes-Benz emblem. Let me just zoom in and then you can see it more clearly. There we go. And in addition to that, we have the iconic Mercedes-Benz G-Class tail lights, and also the opening and closing of the rear. You can see that here with the door handles. Super impressive. How do you guys like it? And the rear is even more impressive than the front because of the zipper here. And then we have some Mercedes-Benz initials of the iconic G-Class. In addition, with the color finish here, looking super nice. How do you guys like it? Keep in mind, it's a one-of-one art piece, and I really am super impressed by the work they have done here. So that's it basically for today's video, guys. How do you like this one-of-one art piece built in cooperation with Moncler? I have to say it's really cool. Also the show of this car is super impressive. I love the traditional design of this car. Also here with the headlights on right now. and a cool collaboration partner with Moncler and their traditional and cool iconic look with their jackets here. What do you guys think of this? What do you think of the color, the artwork, the idea behind it, taking the most traditional car also with a traditional company like Moncler and using also their traditional design? Really, really impressive. Special thanks at this point to Mercedes-Benz, to Moncler for letting us film this car here for you. I'm literally standing on the ladder because the car is 1.50 meters above the ground. It looks super, super monstrous. So cool. And it literally looks like it could move with these tires. So fancy, so funny. What do you guys think? Looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. I will be back.